Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today is Saturday, August, forgot what day it is. Anyways, let's catch some cars. I gotta apologize ahead of time. I don't have my gimbal. I didn't charge it, so it's not gonna be as smooth as other times. So let's see how it goes.
One Honda left is a Honda four-wheeler. Yeah. Right. I'm sure he's got like a
Oh, thank you.
I'm a Buckeye fan.
Yeah? It's a great school.
Hopefully they beat Texas. I don't know.
Oh, I know. It's going to be the biggest game, huh?
Yeah.
See how it goes.
Yeah.
Or they try to change the hours too, right? Or something?
Yeah, they tried to, but they kept it.
Yeah. I actually like, my niece went there, that's why I have the shirt, but I started liking college better than NFL when she started going.
Yeah, I always
They're more exciting, I think.
Exactly.
You know? You don't know the play, like, ahead of time yet.
Right.
The NFL's so predictable now.
I know.
Like, oh, they're going to kick, they're going to,
Yeah.
But, all right, have a good day. Look at this beautiful convertible. It's all original. Can't find them like this anymore. Look at this. All original. Look at that. It's a beautiful car. 1937. Look at that face. The face only a mother could love. It's a beautiful car. What they call a survivor there. Truck sounds pretty nice. Now I'm gonna have to talk to the here, just so it doesn't catch his music. But this is a nice truck. Look at that. Beautiful truck, beautiful paint job, nicely kept. Got those pipes. 1937 as well. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Look at all the woodwork in the back. Nice window in the back. It's a really nice truck. Look at that. Oh, there you go. They took off the music. 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Look at this. Mid-century. Beautiful colors. You going to a 50s party? You want to bring this car. There you go. Pretty good, thank you. It's a little drizzling out here today, but it's not going to stop anybody. Hopefully my lens doesn't get too wet. Usual suspects. Some nice stuff going on. 1965 Super Sport.
Golf guy. Sam was in the movie. Happy Gilmore 2. Just got
Actually, when Johnny's on it. Right here. This is the only place you ran into.
I apologize again for the unprofessional videotaping. Beautiful rack top.
He's not right into that one, so that's okay. I notice he doesn't have it's the top of
Some nice rancheros for sale. It's a nice green color. I don't know if you guys can see that. Does not have a price, but it's pretty nice. Looks like it's original. Look at that. Anybody looking for a nice ranchero? It's all there. It's really nice. Call them up, make them an offer. Look at the engine on this one, looks brand new. It's really nice.
I lived over there. It wasn't small. Yeah, they just had it.
There's Dean. at this Mach 1. That's nice. It's a nice color. It's like a fresh restoration. It's really nice, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the interior.
Nice car, man.
Ooh. Look at that engine. Like the detail on the battery, you see? It's original. This cool car. The seats are made for comfort. Boom. Can't beat a 59 El Camino.
That's the guy that did the same thing at work.
Plymouth Roadrunner. Really nice. This Challenger, really nice. The interior, so simple, but look at that. That shifter's everything. On another edition of That's Your Neighbor. Wakey, wakey. Is a nice plus. Always like this cool feature. You can pull up the windows, get some fresh air. All natural AC. Boom, right in your face. All bugs included. This Porsche is for sale. Never seen a car like this. There's the info. It's a 826 Or you can have this one. It's not for sale though. It's a beautiful car.
Oh, it's a 928 or something.
It's a beautiful gray. Here we go. Mustang against Camaro. The face off. Literally. Who would win? Let me know in the comments. Team Camaro or Team Mustang? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Who needs coffee when you got this car? This will wake you up. Don't like your neighbors? Get a Camaro like this. Wake them up every morning. Just got the face off on video.
Oh, yeah.
The Mustang against the Camaro.
Faster, probably.
Look at that. Boom, LS motor. Look at that.
It's got internals.
It's nice. Not only does she look pretty, she runs. Real nice. Look at that engine. Thing looks brand new.
Clean.
Right? Wow. That doesn't stay outside for sure. Probably puts it inside his house. Look at that. 62. Beautiful car. '62s are nice, huh? Should be black. Excuse me. Excuse me. This car's for sale. I'm just trying to get you the info. Looks like it was signed by Carroll Shelby himself. Man, is this real? It's pretty nice if it is. Up there, give him a call. Make him an offer. Boom.
So that's just some parts of the car.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
You think it was really signed by Carol Shelby?
Is it signed by?
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah, the dash is signed.
Is it really?
Yeah. Wanted to ask him because he's selling it. That's nice. We'll wrap this on. Ah! Who needs a minigun? Look at that. Another car that looks brand new. There's a lot of detail. Super clean. Look at that. Thing looks brand new. Really nice. Wow, look at the inside. You guys got to see this. Thing looks like it came off the assembly plant. Brand new.
Looks brand new, huh?
Look at the engine, man. It's
Yeah. Looks like it's still sitting at the showroom.
I mean, look at that. That's nice. Always appreciate clean cars. It's a lot of work, a lot of patience. And then you got this one. Boom. Ah, what do you guys think? Yeah, put it in the comments.
I've actually not ever.
Look at this. Look at that. Is it gonna be a classic one day? Nah.
No, I don't think so.
Nah.
I know Bus thinks it will be, but no.
I don't know. It might be in the wrong place.
That 2x4 was actually 2x4 back then.
Yeah, these were struck.
And then some of them had, I guess, a but they're only like, that's the like different board or whatever they call that. Possible to call that.
Beautiful Cadillac. This is 1964 Chevy Impala. All original. I wouldn't mind driving that. Got the new Corvette. Or you Corvette heads. It's Corvette roller here. Got the classic. The new. Or newer.
You've probably seen several of these. I don't think Farmer's ever seen one.
This car almost looks like a Ferrari or Lamborghini. Really nice. This is a 4-cylinder. It's great on gas. Gets you about 10 miles per gallon, maybe. But who cares? It's beautiful. Look at the doggy.
Say hi, Wally.
What's his name?
Wally?
Wally. That's a great name for this dog.
Hey, Wally.
Have a good day. Grr, look at that. Oh. Firebird. 1955 post. Dave's 55. Yeah. You don't see too many Firebirds. A lot of Camaros, but. Uh-oh, we got the matching van. Look at this. Boom. Boom.
I didn't realize how far Magic Mountain is until you.
Well, especially during rush hour. But it was one of those things where they don't come for sale very often.
Right.
And the guy posted it, and I saw it within like 5 minutes. I just happened to see it, and so take the ad down. I'll tell you, ask your price, and we'll tackle you, and I'm on my way. Like, it's gonna take me like 2.5 hours to get because of rush hour.
How long have you had it?
About 4 years.
Look at that. Matching van. Boom.
Yeah, totally.
Ah, what do you think? Actually, this might be a
Morning.
morning. He's wearing the t-shirt that goes with it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Black Sabbath. Sweet leaf.
Right? Have a good day.
You too. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
That's amazing.
Oh man, look at that.
Thank you, bud.
You got a cool ice cream truck or what? '66 Chevelle.
Yes, I had it rebuilt too. Really? Yeah. That's unusual. Do you drive in the drive?
This is 64. See how, I mean, if you, yeah, you might, if it was not,
1961
gotta be bad.
Sunliner.
I don't see the switches for the bags. So it's bad. I don't see the switches. The switches are well hidden. It's even got a trans temp. Oh yeah. You could tell something.
Yeah, it's got to be. I mean, mine.
Austin? I don't know much about these cars, but look at this engine. It's tiny. A beautiful truck. Got the Mopar row back here. This beautiful Cuda. Cuda, boom. Man, I'm missing the gimbal right now. I know some of you guys are probably tired of this phone shaking. Kind of hard to hold it still. $55.
In the 90s, Porsche.
1956. Another car that looks brand new. Look at that engine. Except that Costco battery. It's a nice snowman. Look at the school bus.
That'll work. Yeah. He comes back a little while later. He said, "Do anything?" I said, "I don't know. You tell me." Church. First thing is become nails. He comes back.
That's pretty good.
So anyway, the next day we're at another formation, right?
Avon.
Yeah. CEO. Apparently we already had the Avon.
Trying to get this engine over here.
Take it back. Better take it back.
Real nice. The Cadillac. America's finest.
Yeah, what? How long did you get to work there, you think? 7 years? 10. 55? You're on at 85.
All right, folks, that's all I got for you today. Catch the last of these cars. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. If you guys want me to check out cars in more detail, try to catch as much as I can. But again, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day.